one of the reasons for the higher deployment and penetration of market in Europe versus Brazil of EAS antennas is because loss prevention is a more strategic element of retailers in Europe, meaning that it has a higher level in the organization and attention from the management of the retailers in Europe than it probably have in Brazil. It has to get higher on the agenda in Brazil to have that strategic meaning as it has in Europe. If we talk about adding Darwin to the antennas and how that can support further the value of the proposition in Brazil, then I would naturally say that losses are not coming from one source, it's coming from many sources. And what the company is doing with Darwin exactly is closing even more gaps. So to work more strategic with the loss prevention and get it higher on the agenda, work with well-developed return on investments on these sources where losses are happening from, that's the way to do it.